I just bought this Regal 38 SAV from Sandy Hook Yachts, and they were fantastic to work with. I was able to reach my guy Shep on a regular basis. He helped me with insurance. He helped me get the boat ready, helped me get it shipped. We got a training day by Kevin. He's been fantastic. We're going through all the bells and whistles. The education of this boat is needed. It's a weapon. It's a monster of a boat. Just the couple-hour tutorial we're getting, I know I'm going to have to do a lot more studying. He's got me that starting point, though. I can take this across the Bimini and to the Bahamas next week with no issues at all. So I'm super excited. I can't recommend Sandy Hook Yachts anymore. They were fantastic to work with from start to finish.